Leute, this is Rubik Education, and today we're going to be beginning with page number. Okay. Today we're going to be beginning with verb haben, which is on page number 38, and this is of class 5th, Deutsch und English second book, class 5th. Yeah, and third chapter, third lesson. Remember, we are learning together, growing together. We may make some mistakes, but we'll try our best to give you the best possible information we can provide. So go ahead and watch the previous parts if you haven't already, because we have discussed many things already. Let's begin. Verb haben, we were talking about accusative. We were talking about this particular thing over here, haben plus accusative. We took a look at the key difference between nominative and accusative, which was that nominative usually talks about one subject, but in accusative we can usually take a look at a subject and a kind of like a direct object, you can say. But yeah, we're talking about two things, two people, as you can see over here. That's the key difference. And that is why haben, whenever there's haben in a sentence, that is usually a accusative sentence. And that is also the reason why we have einen over here. Why do we have einen over here? Because of the tables that we saw. In accusative, in a nominative, we have der, die, das. With der, we have ein. But in accusative, we have den, die, das. With den, we have einen. Only difference. So that's why, since this is masculine, plural is masculine, we used einen. Okay. Ich habe, du hast, sie, es hat, ihr habt, wir, sie or sie haben. This is fixed. Just learn this. It will come to you much in help. Okay, now we have wir haben ein Haus in Delhi. We have a house in Delhi. Wir haben, because here there's wir, we have haben, like the whole root verb is say. House is neutral, so we have used ein. Only problem is with problem, you can say, or only exception is with masculine cases. So even if you want to say negation or negative things, like for example, hat, he does not have a pen. Hat keinen Kuli. Kuli is their Kuli, right? So if in nominative it is there, in accusative it will be den, and with den it will be einen. So simply you will add a k, so keinen, or if it is for feminine, keine, neutral, kein, simple. Nur ein Heft, not only a notebook. He does not have a pen, only a notebook. Okay, now let's move ahead. Haben plus accusative with article example. Ralph hat ein Auto. Auto is das, so simply we will write ein. Hat auch ein Haus. He also has a house. House is also das, so simply ein will be used. Hat. You can see here how verb conjugation is being used because of You know, whenever we're talking about people also, now we will use the same conjugation as zs. But whenever there are two people, we'll use the same conjugation with wir. For example, Ralph is a name. Ralph hat ein Auto. But if it was Ralph und Tina hat, will be wrong, because Ralph und Tina haben ein Auto would be correct in that case for verb conjugation. Hat auch ein Haus. Anne hat einen Freund. Now what's the difference? Freund is there in nominative. Okay, Freund is their Freund. Okay, there is masculine. Accusative masculine is den. Okay, accusative masculine is den. Indefinite article for accusative masculine is einen. So simply we will add einen, because there is hat. You saw there is hat. Ich habe eine Wohnung. Wohnung is the, no problem, simply ein. Rebecca hat einen Bungalow. Einen, why? Because this is there. So there becomes den for accusative. So den, with den we use einen. So simple. This is with article. But many times you don't need to use articles. Like ich habe Zeit, I have time. Hat Geld, he has money. Hast du Zeit und Lust? Do you have time and interest? Trinken Sie Milk? Do you want to drink milk? Kind of. So why here we're not using article? Because time, sight cannot be counted. Can you say, do you have a time? No. Or I have a time? No, that's incorrect. I have time. Do you have a money? No. He has a money? No. He has money. Do you have a time and a interest? No. Do you have time and interest? Yes. Drinking tea. Do you drink a milk? No. Do you drink milk? Yes. So this is the correct way. That's why we are using no article here. So you have to be mindful about the sentence you are writing. Just because you saw haben verb does not mean you have to write ein, eine, einen. You have to think that does this sentence require an article? Then based on that you have to do. Like these things are they don't really have a quantity. You cannot say one or two in them, right? That's why we are using no article. Okay. The simple thing that I've said by now is summarized in this. Why does the news keep coming? I don't know. Okay. Simple thing is summarized in this table. Learn this table, very important table. Masculine for nominative is ein. If it is negative, it becomes kein. Masculine for accusative is einen. For negative is keinen. Look at this. This is same ein, kein, eine, keine. Same. Only difference is in masculine. That too in one part. Right. I have a tip here. In accusative, only masculine article changes. The feminine, neutral and plural remain the same. Exactly what I just said. Coming to page number 39, which is really blurred, but we'll try to make out what it says. So it's a partner activity. As we can see, there's partner 1, partner 2, and you with umlaut 1 is written over here, which is Übungen exercise. Okay. Partner 1. Hast du ein Auto? Do you have a car? Partner 2. Nein, ich habe kein Auto. Slash, ja, ich habe ein Auto. So, if you don't have a car, you will say kein. If you have a car, you will say ein. Simple. Let's see. Okay. Simply, what they have given us, I'll just do the first example because this is a partner activity. You have to do it by yourself. So if we have do over here and they have written ein Auto with a negative sign, that means they want us to say something negative here. I will show you two examples, one with negative and one with positive. Let's do which one we can do any positive one. Okay. That means they want to say that we should say this answer, like someone should ask us, hast du ein Auto? And you will say either nein or ja. So here there's negative, so you will say nein, ich habe kein Auto. It's the same thing as the first one. Let's do this one. Sight. Here they have given us a positive sign, right? So ihr. So habt ihr ein Auto? Based on this verb conjugation table. Habt. Have you all cars? Car. Then this is positive. So, ja. With here we have to say wir. Ja, wir haben Zeit. We're talking about sight now. We're talking about time. So, habt ihr Zeit? Do you have all time? Do you all have time? Ja, wir haben Zeit. Okay, got it? Simple. The rest, all you can do. House is house, bungalow is bungalow, Wohnung is apartment, Geld is money, Arbeit is work, and Bruder is a brother. Okay. Second activity, partner 1. Amara arbeitet in Delhi. Yeah. 2. Ihre Eltern wohnen in Madras. Amara works in Delhi, but her parents live in Madras. Amara arbeitet Delhi. Paula kommt. I cannot see what place this is, so we'll be looking at this. Frau Müller spielt Gitarre. Let's take a look at this example. Amara 1 is already done. Partner 1 can say, Frau Müller spielt the guitar, okay? And partner 2 can say, Ihr Mann spielt Tennis. Okay, so ich also here we have ich lerne Deutsch, meine Bruder lernt Tamil. Okay, simple. It should be mein Bruder lernt Tamil for now. Mein Bruder, yeah, mein Bruder lernt Tamil. Let's move ahead to the third activity. Bist du Arzt? Nein, ich bin kein Arzt. Are you a doctor? No, I am not doctor. So let's take a look at the Schauspieler example. Schauspieler is your show play, that means your actor. Ist ein Oh, you should ask the question. For it was sein. What do we remember? Ist. You remember ist, right? Ist Schauspieler? Or you can say either nine or yeah. Since here there's nine, we'll use nine. Nine, ist kein Schauspieler. Okay? If it was IN, this will change to Z. Okay? Let's move to this page in the next part. Go ahead and watch that.